This really pretty one caught my eye. Sang something beautiful. I didn't think I'd hit it, seeing that I can't see shit. But I did. And he fell to the ground with a tiny thud. The other birds went quiet and flew off. I got it in the neck, still alive, making a horrible whistling sound. I pumped the gun up and held the barrel at Toot's eye. Still didn't die, it just kept making that sound. I shot him again and again and again and again and again and again and again. There's nothing else I could do. I bashed him with the butt of my birthday present. Things got a little out of hand that day.